What's the meaning of co-pilot? Co-pilot. Co-pilot.
Co-pilot. Co-pilot. A co-pilot is a second-in-command pilot who assists the pilot in operating an aircraft. The co-pilot's duties may include running checklists, monitoring instruments, handling radios, and assisting in takeoff and landing procedures. In some cases, the co-pilot may also fly the aircraft. The presence of a co-pilot on an aircraft enhances safety by providing an additional set of eyes and hands in the cockpit. Co-pilots are required to have specialized training and certification, and are an integral part of commercial aviation operations worldwide.